Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Vara Cahyani. I'm going to bring a story titled Judy Wanted a Big Dog. There was a girl. The girl's name is Judy. Judy loved dog. Judy wanted to buy a big dog. Judy flew to a pet shop in Japan. However, the supermarket in Japan only had small dogs. There were not big dogs. She was feeling sad, but she did not give up. After that, she took a train to Russia. She went to a bank, but there were not any big dogs in that Russian bank. She was sad, but there were not big dogs at bank in Russia. Judy then walked to Germany. He went to a pet shop. She was very happy because there were 5 big dogs in the pet shop of Germany. Judy brought a white and brown dog. The price was 1 million euros. Judy was very happy because she finally had a big dog. Thank you for your attention. See you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.